Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Marker, the founder and executive director at the Cheetah Conservation Fund. And here we are in our dog food room, storage, because we just got donated 8 tons of dog food from the Almo Nature company from Italy, all the way from Italy, to help us take care of our livestock guarding dogs. And our dogs help save cheetahs by living with the livestock. And so this is such a very important donation. Thank you so very much, all the way from Italy. Thank you.
Thank you.